Just give me a second, okay?
I think they're taking a break. Is that what the deal is?
How long do you think the break will be?
Are you going through it, Josh?
Yeah, I'm gonna record whoever's going with me on this. We had to break in a door yesterday, so you know.
Did someone get hurt?
No, they're gonna go. Yeah. Okay. So, you guys ready? To go with them? All right.
We're gonna follow you.
All of you.
Is it red? Yeah. There you go.
2 groups of 4.
Okay. And then 5 with the officer.
6.
Oh.
Okay, so we're ready?
So whoever's
Are you
going.
ready?
Oh yeah,
Are you sure?
yeah.
Okay, I guess.
Yep.
Head all the way in. My friend can't get very far, so you need to go in all the way to see him.
Come in! It's been so long since I've had any visitors. How are you all doing tonight?
Good.
Oh, good, good. Where are you all from?
Springter.
Oh, well, thanks for coming to visit my house. I just moved in a couple weeks ago. I inherited this house from my great-grandpapa Harris. That's his picture on it.
Oh my God.
Say hi.
Hi.
Good manners, good manners. Now, I got a couple rules if y'all want to make it out of here alive, okay?
Okay.
The first rule is, any of y'all got cell phones on you?
Yep. Yeah.
Make sure you keep them hidden away. Don't be using your flashlights or taking pictures or nothing. And just go ahead and ignore them, okay? The next thing is, any of y'all got any medical conditions?
No.
Okay, good. We do use strobe lights and fog machines here, so just as long as you wear that. And the last thing is, be respectful. Don't touch anyone or anything, and no one should be touching you. Got it?
Got it.
All right. Shall we see if the spirits are ready for you?
We should.
Okay. Oh, great spirits. Are you ready for your next victim? I mean, visitors.
I think so.
Are you going or you?
All right, come on, ladies, take the lead. Oh,
Have fun in there. Don't get lost.
they're very brave.
How's it going? Good, are you?
Good.
Only 2. 2?
Oh, Bora.
I don't like how...
Are we good?
So we have to wait.
Where are we at? I can't see anything. Where are we going? Where are we going? Why is this fire? Why is she naked? Hey, Shotty.
Oh, it's a crawl space.
Where do we go?
Do we open it?
What's your name? Wow, nobody asked for me.
Knew that was a person.
I didn't know she was
I've
asking
been
me.
told to leave the 2 law enforcement officers to go down separately here
Okay.
in a minute, so
That's fine.
let them get through. And how's it been so far?
That's pretty cool. I like all this stuff. That's cool.
All right, you guys can go ahead and then.
All right.
You guys are gonna go through that black door frame next. Good luck. I hope you can make it. You guys are gonna go upstairs.
Hey there. Alright, should we keep our hands in front of us?
Correct.
Here we go. Oh, I don't like it. It's so
Keep your hand.
You guys gotta wait.
I'm gonna keep my hands in front of me. Who is this in front of me? Who is this in front of me? Someone's in my butt.
Where do we go? I don't know.
Give them a second.
Oh no!
Got a couple rules for you though.
Okay.
Try not to pull these down.
Okay.
Okay? Right? That and then keep your hands in front of you. Don't want anybody bumping heads or anything like that. There's a bunch of actors and there's obviously other people. It looks like that in there.
Okay.
It's really limited rules.
Keep it up. Okay.
Alright, don't get scared.
Okay. Sounds good.
This is alright.
Okay. I gotta go wave. Do you see a spot for right? I feel like it's going back the same way.
I think
Oh, I think I
when
found
the guy
it.
told us that we were going the wrong way.
Ooh.
Really serving and protecting the community! Practice safe sex!
There's a lot. Jeez. Oh boy. Oh, there's no one. Hello. So we're still going. I feel like there's go right, go left. Go right, go left.
Now which way do we go?
Not gonna lie. Oh. Ooh, that's a really cool visual effect. Does it go here?
We just went the same way that we just did.
Somewhere there, so we're back this way. That was awesome. Are we going that way? this way. Which one? This one? Oh, this one.
Oh, why are you touching?
Look, this is a new room.
And now.
Okay, Isaiah, hold on.
What?
You were going the right way.
They told me to go back.
Going the wrong way again.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, what's another?
Oh my god.
Me?
I don't want to sit there.
Yeah, sit.
Here, Dad, we're
Sit.
sitting together. Here, Dad. Oh, this is... Am I sitting on your lap?
That's awesome. Oh, this is awesome. You okay?
Yeah, we're good.
Uh-huh. Right there.
Ready? Mwah. Get that on recording?
Mm-hmm. That's still recording.
That's good.
So what was the most scariest part?
It was the ending.
The ending?
Yeah.
Like them chasing you through there?
Yeah. And I was
Yeah.
getting stuck.
Yeah, I know. They got you stuck in a corner, and I thought maybe you were waiting for the door to open, and I was just like, oh, no, that's...
There was no
They
open
stuck
door.
you
There
there.
was no open door.
Nice. They didn't chase you guys out, though.
It's scary.